Meet Jennifer. She's a 40-something mom from the Midwest with brown hair, 3 kids, a husband named Mark, and a to-do list that could crush a small car. She works part-time doing bookkeeping, customer service, and contract writing for Mark's construction company. On top of that, she helps out at a friend's clothing shop at the local strip mall. Her days are a chaotic mix of spreadsheets, snack time, customer emails, and lost socks. One morning, already knee-deep in contracts and cereal spills, she heard something that stopped her in her tracks. ChatGPT is going to be more important to your life and business than your smartphone if you use it right. At first, Jennifer rolled her eyes. The robot that writes poems? Sure, but something about that line stuck with her. So she opened a ChatGPT tab and gave it a shot. That's when everything changed. Within minutes, it helped her write a professional but kind email to a late-paying client. It gave her a meal plan for the week that actually worked with the picky eaters in her house. It drafted a subcontractor agreement in perfect legalese, and it even helped her daughter with long division, all before lunch. Suddenly, Jennifer realized something. This wasn't just a toy. It was the assistant she'd always needed, one that never complains, never sleeps, and costs less than a pumpkin spice latte. Here's the secret though. Tools like ChatGPT only work well if you know how to talk to them. It's all about the prompt, the question or instruction you give it. Most people type vague things like, write an email, and then wonder why the results are meh. But expert users, they write specific, clear, and strategic prompts. That's how they unlock the real power of these tools. And that's what this series is all about. You're going to learn how to be one of those expert users. How to use patterns like the question refinement pattern, the chain of thought technique, and the recipe pattern to turn ChatGPT into your personal assistant, tutor, planner, editor, and even software developer. All you need to start is basic computer skills and a bit of curiosity. By the end of this series, you'll know how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to write, plan, solve problems, and save time in your work, your home, and your life. Just like Jennifer did. Next up, we'll dive into how to actually write great prompts, and why once you learn to think in prompts, it'll feel like you've discovered a superpower. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next part. And check the show notes for extra resources, prompt examples, and Jennifer's weekly taco recipe. Yes, it's there. See you in part 2. Last time, Jennifer discovered that ChatGPT wasn't just a novelty, it was a game changer. Now she wants more. Not more stuff to do, more smart ways to get things done. So she's diving deeper. Today, Jennifer is learning the real secret sauce, how to write great prompts. Let's start with something called in-context learning. It's basically giving the AI the who, what, where, and why within your prompt, so it can give better, smarter answers. Instead of just asking, write me a job ad, Jennifer tells it, write a friendly but professional job ad for a part-time retail assistant at a women's clothing store in a Midwestern strip mall. The tone should be warm, upbeat, and appeal to working moms or college students. Now the model understands the full picture. That's in-context learning, and it makes a huge difference. But Jennifer doesn't stop there. She also learns about something called retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG. Sounds fancy, but it's simple. RAG lets AI pull in facts from reliable sources, like a private document or trusted database, before answering your question. That means more accurate responses and fewer hallucinated unicorns. Still, things can go wrong. If you want precision, you need structure. That's where template prompts come in. Jennifer starts using formats like this. Summarize the following survey results in 3 bullet points. Then write a 1-sentence conclusion and highlight one potential risk. Boom. Clean, structured, usable output. Every time. Next, she applies her skills to everyday tasks. Analyzing customer feedback from Facebook, interpreting responses from a Google form, even writing personalized thank you notes at scale. Jennifer's world? Running smoother than ever. Behind the scenes, she's using preference-driven refinement, a fancy term for tweaking the prompt until the AI gives her exactly what she wants. Like fine-tuning a radio until the signal's crystal clear. By now, she's learning about how to get the AI to write in her own voice. Why picking the right examples is crucial for in-context learning. The 5 key parts of a strong prompt. how to use Markdown, self-checks, and even footnotes for fact-checked results, and how AI can help her classify, recommend, summarize, and explain, all with the right pattern. Jennifer is no longer just using ChatGPT. She's co-piloting her life with it. So whether Jennifer is refining her prompts with crystal clear templates, checking AI outputs against real facts, or pulling insights from messy survey results, she's not just saving time. She's leveling up. These simple techniques, like preference-driven refinement and template formatting, are the secret sauce to making generative AI work for you, not the other way around. And we're just getting started. In the final part, we'll show you how Jennifer goes from power user to AI creator, building her own custom AI assistants to help run her business, support her family, and finally get ahead of the chaos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check the show notes for extra resources and links to try it all out for yourself. Let's keep going. Jennifer's life has changed a lot since she first started using AI. From struggling to get through her to-do list to confidently leveraging AI to help with everything from customer support to survey analysis, she's now ready for the next big leap. Welcome to the world of custom AI assistants, where the true power of generative AI comes alive. The demand for personalized and specialized AI is skyrocketing. Large language models like ChatGPT have shown remarkable capabilities. But what if you could create your own version, fine-tuned for your life, your business, your needs? That's exactly what Jennifer is doing. She starts simple, setting custom instructions so her assistant understands how she communicates, warm, friendly, and just a little bit Midwest. Then, she builds out her assistant's persona, a tone, style, and expertise that fits her industry. Soon, she's creating GPTs that can answer customer questions using uploaded documents from Mark's construction business. Then one for reviewing clothing inventory and summarizing trends at the shop. Even one that helps her generate legally sound templates for contracts, tested with rigorous prompt patterns to make sure every answer is accurate and reliable. Jennifer explores smart strategies like question refinement patterns to reduce ambiguity, cognitive verifier patterns to check logic, and markdown templates to make every output easy to read and use. She also learns how to handle tricky AI behavior. What should your GPT say when it doesn't know something? How do you teach it to ask the right follow-up questions? With these tools, Jennifer's not just automating, she's orchestrating. Her assistants are now helping with social media copy, test case generation, and even brainstorming for a community event. And the best part? She's doing it all without writing a single line of code. Because building your own GPT isn't just for developers anymore, it's for you. With a bit of guidance and the right prompting patterns, you can create assistants that do real work, your way. So, ready to build your own AI army? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure to check the show notes for links to templates, guides, and resources so you can start building your own custom GPTs today. Jennifer did it, and so can you.